Hello everybody, today we're going to be looking at how to color in Flipaclip. So we have two options to do it. The first way is just color the brush. You can see there's a toolbar up there. We are going to tap on our brush icon and select the icon on the right. Here you can choose your color for your brush and we'll come back and then simply brush it. Here, second option is we will come back to our main toolbar and we will tap on the bucket icon, which is fill in. Tap it again to see some extra options. And here we have our color icon here. Tap on that as well and choose a color for that. I will choose a blue for that and we'll come back to it and tap anywhere on the screen where you want to fill. Just like that. Hope that I could help you. Thanks for watching. Take care.